What's up guys? I'm back with a new video. Okay, this video is about invisible web traffic. But if you are a freelancer in Alexa Master community, watch this video carefully, okay? So, what is an invisible traffic? An invisible web traffic can destroy the life of a digital marketer. So, there were a lot of things happening in the world, in the digital marketing industry. And this video, I'm not taking too much time, but when I start talking, I talk a lot. But be careful. If you run AutoServe, this is extremely important to you. Also, if you are a digital marketer in Alexa Master community, also have to watch. Whatever I say, if you are a person who works in Alexa Master, just watch this video. Shall we move on? Okay, in this before, we call it before because long time ago, not a long time, it's just 3 years ago. We use a concept called session model. This session model is like every session is a new visitor. Let's say you are visiting a website, right? You are visiting a website, then the first visit, it will be counted as a first visit. Then you read the page, it's a page view, and then search something on the search bar, another thing, and you add to cart or whatever you do there, it's connected with the session. So in the session model, important, keep in mind, session model, every session was a new user or a new visitor. Then the session change every 30 minutes. And these engagement, for example, scrolling down or page views or add to cart, whatever, we didn't really check a lot this one. We call these an engagement. We didn't care about engagement, we just care about the visit. So Alexa Master use this technique. Also big tech companies use this model previously.
When did it start to change?
Look, it's on this in 2020 September. Big tech companies started to change their measurements, and the 2023, this June of 2023, they introduced the new model for digital marketers.
What is the new model?
We call this User Centric Event Model. What is it? Before, in the session model, every session is a new visitor. But in this one, they measure the visitor, the very first visit, then we call this the first user. So the website, let's say alexamaster.com or .net, whatever you visit, the very first time they collect the data, put into a database and identify this is the first user. After that, every session, let's say you are viewing the page, you add to cart, you scroll down, fill in a form, whatever happens during next 30 days. So these 30 days, almost 1 month. During the 1 month, the user doesn't change. It's a one user. This user keep rotating into the sessions, like opening a session, again closing the session. These are every kind of engagement events happen there. But for the 1 month period, this visit is a one user. Alright, And also the engagements are like gold, very important. So in this digital marketing traffic measuring protocol we call user centric event model, this one is really impressive to me because there are a lot of engagement it's collecting. For example, the visitor goes to the website, scrolling down and fill in a form, where they click, what they click, for a 1 month period stored in a database. I don't know why they introduced this one, and for me, look at the session model. The session model is really interesting also. Every session the data change, every 30 minutes a new visitor come. A lot of visitors, we can generate lot of visitors to our website, and every session there's a new event and engagement. I think big tech had to improve this session model, not move into this user centric event model. It's my feeling because user centric event model is another big problem they are creating in the digital marketing industry. I will explain what. Let's say you are a small digital marketer. You just earn around $1,500 per month, and your customers are small, they don't have enough money. They just ask you to do digital marketing for their small business. You get very small money. In very small money, with the session model, you generate some web traffic, then your customer can be happy with that. But this session model is very effective when you use small digital marketing agencies. Small digital marketing agencies can generate session-wise this traffic and do something. But when it moves to user-centric event model, a small digital marketer cannot generate a huge traffic. So always they have to move to the big tech. So whatever you use, let's say big tech services like Google Ads, Meta Ads, Twitter, the big guy can generate the first visit, a lot of first visit. After that, it generates sessions. Clear? This is the way we identify new user sessions. Exactly inside Alexa Master, before we use session model, now we use user-centric event model. Why? The digital marketers, online advertisers who come to Alexa Master, they use the latest model. It's not me. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. I just followed it way, like I just rowing my boat through the flow. I had to develop and I had to move to this new user-centric event model, not using the other old model. If I keep using the old model and these all advertisers starting complaining Alexa Master service and they put bad reviews, you go to Trustpilot or everywhere there are bad reviews plus good reviews. So all I check carefully, many bad reviews come because they are not technically understood this platform. So okay, maybe I'm responsible to generate more videos, upload to YouTube, but I'm busy, I have to do a lot of coding work. You see my hair and beard, I'm getting really old now. I spend my time in front of a computer. The big tech decided to move to this user-centric event model. Not me. Don't blame me. Don't blame anyone in Alexa Master. It's a new generation. We have to follow this. Okay, now if you're auto surfing in Alexa Master, moderators will check your service, the results through the service what they have in the admin panel. Then I don't think if they cannot see new visitors through your AutoServe for your working, they will easily put a mark you generate in invisible traffic. Very simple thing. So you can say before it didn't happen. Yeah, it started 2020 September. You see how chaotic inside Alexa Master. It's not in Alexa Master. A lot of my friends who did digital marketing, they complain about user-centric event model because it's complicated and it's really difficult to generate new visitors. But we have to respect the decision come from big tech companies and the governments, because they decided to move to this event. They are more intelligent than me or us. Maybe they have master degrees, they have high cost of IQ levels or EQ, whatever. They decided where to move. It's a new world order or something. Then we follow this user-centric event model. In this user-centric event model, the way the identifying the new user is, there's a user ID from BigQuery, especially from Google. These are like the very first time the visitor visit the website, it identifies the user location, IP address, and the device data, and also the many data, sensitive data, and store in the BigQuery, I think. But then it generates a user ID. Inside, using this user ID, the BigQuery generate these session-related activities, events that are especially like scrolling down, page views, these all. And let's say if there's no user ID from BigQuery or something, then there's a Google Signals data comes. I beg your pardon. It can be a little bit complicated to my brain. So the BigQueries and Google Signals data is all together, works together. If you're from Google Analytics developing team or someone better than me, please comment down and tell me that I'm talking nonsense. But my feeling, I think this Google Signals and BigQueries all together, it's generating one user ID for the very first visit. And then it takes device ID data. In Alexa Master, we use these three from Google Analytics. Plus, then if you're a register member, if you have a login cookie data, you accept our cookie policy in the websites because that's why you are registered. Then these cookie data, and then also we identify the master ID. Then we use this all together to recognize how you work with Alexa Master. And if you can generate new visitors using this user-centric event model, you can start earning money or generating more points. Then use these points to get traffic to your website. Can do that. But the session model is gone. Understand this one? Session model is gone. No longer it will be applicable for our website. We use from July, 15th of July. So we use this technique. That's why if you see any payouts blocking or some invisible traffic reports from moderator, just contact the team, but you have to switch to this user-centric event model. Then, technical solutions. These are technical solutions. I have only share. You just clean your browser cookies and all data. It's not just basic clean. You clean everything. Complete erase browsing data and complete refreshing. Start it. Also use a dynamic IP if you want to generate new users, because the fixed IP addresses are link with the big queries. I'm sure it's my, if I'm wrong, comment down. So you need dynamic IP addresses. Don't use proxy IPs, and don't try Tor network. These onion browsers, whatever, onion, potatoes, tomatoes, don't try these invisible browsing. Just you have to have a legit IP address, especially from your home or your office, wherever you use. You erase your data exactly, not data, I mean you erase the browser cookies and clean whole browser, all data. Don't erase your computer, then it's a big problem. So you have to clean the browser and all data, so refresh it, then restart the browser. Then you will be counted as a new user. Also, here you must engage on the web pages you visit. For example, Alexa Master asks you to visit a website. Then you have to stay on the page. Let's say you open the web page and just close within 10 seconds or 5 seconds very quickly. You are not engaging on the opening web page. That is an invisible visit on advertisers' analytics report. Web advertiser not spend, they never spend money on invisible traffic. And Alexa Master is not making money. If the advertiser not spending money, then you will not get paid. All is bug. That's it. Then you have to engage on the web pages to be the real visitor. Scroll down, here, scroll down, fill the form or clicks. Then at least 90% scroll down and see the web page. Then these engagement will be recorded. That's supporting our advertiser. Then advertiser pay us money. You get paid. They are happy. You are happy. I am happy.
Otherwise, you will force me to. I know. You, not everyone, some of you, call me the worst words in the world. You use sometimes. I can't say that, but these words, when I read the comments and the reviews, some people write down in the review, this is to Dilanta. To me. So they are like forcing me. They think I'm the god. I can control everything. I'm a magician. I'm just an ant. Look at here.
Web traffic industry changed. Already changed now. Digital marketing. Many digital marketers are rest in peace because they cannot generate new visits without help of big tech. You had to go to big tech advertising services, then you put your ad banner, it generates a new visit. After that, let's say a small advertising agency, they send another traffic to this website, but not the new visit, it's the new session. So the big techs control whole advertising industry. I'm not against them. I'm telling the truth. Okay? I'm telling the truth. Don't blame me. Don't blame Alexa Master. Don't remind my mother, father, ancestors.
You can remind, it's your human rights, right? You can call me whatever the worst word in the world, threaten me, try to hack my computer. I know some people try to hack my router and try to hack my phone. This is kind of childish, man. So, if you want to fight with me, I'm not just a little ant. I think you're stupid if you fight with me. You have to fight with the people who generated new advertising models. I even cannot decide anything. I'm just developing a community for you guys. Don't fight with me. Please, I beg you. Don't fight with me. Complain the big tech. Why they switch to this user-centric event model. Why they left session model. But at the end, this is the conclusion. Again, don't blame me. I'm a small ant.
Thanks for watching. But don't blame me again.